come out of that situation,
Hmm.
that area. That's
Hmm.
why I got little bit late.
Hmm. Hmm.
Also, it's raining hard, sir, outside, and
Hmm.
my vehicle stuck in the road because water is running on the road.
Percolation.
That's why I was
Percolated.
late.
Percolated means gathered together. Percolated means the
So,
large amount of water gathered at one place like that.
so
And
what?
usually
I didn't get you, sir. Actually,
percolated. Percolated means accumulated at one place.
okay.
Water kept at one place means accumulated at one place is called as percolated or accumulated at one place. So all these
Okay.
things, whatever you have practiced up till now, that you use it in your regular sentences. Usually what happens when you reach late, so these are the reasons what you can mention them. So it is very important. Practically you're learning this is much more important than theoretical part. But regularly you should use it at wherever you need it for. Suppose you're going for a party, you reach late, therefore you need explanation. But explanation also should be very formal one. Otherwise, you'll say, "How I was supposed to get late? Now, what is your problem in that?" So, whatever reasons you are mentioning, it should be related to a proper explanation what you want to provide them. It should not be with so your explanation along with your speech, along with your expression and impression. All these things are important like that. So, good morning, all of you.
Good
Welcome
morning.
back.
Thank you.
It's nice to see you all. We have four presently.
Four,
Yeah.
four, one, two, three, four. Yes.
No, I should suggest we have 40. Okay.
Yes,
Further,
sir.
we follow 40
Of
here.
course.
Now,
We are.
I was just thinking that some of the other way it's a part of very important session that you have to learn the skills of fluency in English. So, in every sort of a topic, some or the other way similarity is there. But again, I'm saying you to create points specifically for you all. It could be that yes, sir, this I know, that I know, this particular topic I can do it. This can be the conclusion what I can do it for. But yes, some or the other way, no, we forget. We forget actually how to inculcate whatever we are learning. So, yes, what I believe, what I think forward, that these things should be understandable to you. And most importantly, you need to regularly use it in your day-to-day life. So, presently, the skills of learning English. Probably everybody has done English learning, speaking, a bit of in your textbooks, in bit of your reading practices and everything which we have done. But what happens after knowing also, as you all say, probably not for our children presently, but yes, probably others they say we know how to read it, but how to express, no. So this is only the important thing. Unless and until you know your language, then only you will be able to speak. So it is important first that to learn also, to know your language, then only you can express with your speech. So both the things should go together. So essential skills of learning English, first I would say that identify your talent. Now what is the meaning of identify of your talent? Can
How
anybody
capable you are.
identify your talent? Now I want answers from you. Wherever the additional and subtraction is there, that I'll add it up. Now it becomes very interactive part. So if I'll ask you, Vaibhav, Sachin, or Sushma, what
So,
talent you have? What identification of talent? What do you feel about yourself?
what
So
the things where we are good,
things
we
where,
can do it more better.
so if I'll ask you, Sushma, that in which part of which thoughts you feel that you are much better, and that is your actually talent.
Mm. So
It
there
could
are
be.
three.
Mhm.
Sorry, sir.
I'm asking you that what actually you feel about that, what talent you exist within yourself.
Judging
Self.
yourself on that how
What?
capable you are.
You mean to say in how much capable you are or how much You feel that this is my strength, this is my power, this is my
Right.
sort of positive aspects what I have.
Yes.
So,
So, firstly, by my professional, I have good convincing power.
uh-huh.
Um,
So interview question, huh? Remember, this could be your interview question.
right,
What
sir.
actually feel yourself powerful as you being Sushma, as you being Sachin, as you being Vaibhav? What actually you have within yourself? Huh?
Uh, One more good thing in about me, कि I'm a good team player, sir.
Mm-hmm.
I can work in a group, and leadership. I can lead also. So
Mm-hmm.
leadership talent is also there in me.
What you said about you are good in table tennis, something I heard that.
No, no, no. Team
No,
player, sir. Team.
a team
I
player.
worked in a team. I can lead the team also in a good manner.
Okay. Suppose an assigned work is given to you. Suppose an assigned work is given to you. You have 10 members in your team, and all are filled with anger, and it is very difficult to uh, make them understand. How will you do that?
So first, I will find what is the reason behind their
Hmm.
angriness, why they are angry,
Hmm.
for what they are angry. So
Hmm.
I talk with each one of them,
Hmm.
find out the solution, then gather them, and we will not jump on the work first.
Hmm.
Whatever I have to give, whatever I have to give them, we
Hmm.
just talk with normally. We chat with everyone, and informally. Firstly, I introduce them with me,
Hmm.
and if I got solution, then I'll proceed further.
No,
Because
don't
with
say like
angry,
this. I would like to obstruct in this.
uh,
Say like this that if I will, don't say like
hmm,
this.
okay,
Anyhow, that is your project assigned and you have to complete. Accepting challenge. Now, here only the problem occurs. When we say, we should remember whatever we are saying, is it profitable for us, thinkable for us, and for the entire team? Otherwise, if I will manage, then only the things will be done. It should not be our outlook. I can do
I
it.
can do it.
I will
Right,
do it like that.
right,
No, I understand. This is a very common phenomenon. It can be asked to you in your interview session or your by seniors or something like that. So at the time we get into all these issues, but how to tackle that? Since you said yes, all these things are there. Out your minus points. No,
okay,
but yes, we are trying to improve upon. So now Sushma might be thinking that sir has said something correct. That yes,
right, sir.
I cannot leave them. Now, this is your target 10 members are there. You have to anyhow complete the work. And in that sentence, you should not say, I will try. That gives you a
We
very
will try.
different outlook about the personality or the thoughts or about the candidate. Like that. Just imagine if we are at the interview session and if we reply in this way, then many things will come. Lack of confidence, lack of approach, lack of team building, because you said that yes, I believe in team building. I am very happy or I'm very much powerful in convincing people.
Right,
But if with one sentence of ours creates a different issue. I didn't
yeah,
mean to say that this is an interview session, but yes, we should remember that whenever we say that, are we thinking because whatever strength you have, it should be perfect. I'm not saying that we can do it to 100%, but yes, the words will not say you that 100% you are a person. But in our speech to be ending like this, so yes, I will do. I will try to do it means there are some sort of suppose I'll ask you why you said Sushma that I will try. What do you feel? Because you said that sir, I have the strength of team leadership, then why did you thought for it?
there, there is. They ask like that, of
What is
course.
the answer? So we should when we answer, see, we don't know how those people are. Okay.
Right,
Now you said two, three things correct. Yes, sir, we'll go to the problem, we'll understand the problems, and finally finding out solutions. Now finding solutions means what? That we cannot be in a sort of a contradictory thought that yes, I can do it or I will not. Take it as a challenge. We haven't gone into the situation. Practically, we thought. Go to
Right.
the situation, understand the environment, and give yourself time to deliver what actually you feel is best. So whenever we speak, so before we go to the challenges, we are taking a step back, or we are stopping ourselves. So that is giving a different outlook. So it is very important. No, I know everybody has talent because I know the way you speak, the way Shubham or everyone else speak about Rahul and everyone speak about. I know that they have some sort of confidence within them that they can convert into it. But here, why we are here together, that wherever we are lacking, we have to improve upon. That is the reason first we look it as most importantly, we have to identify our talent first. Lots of books I'll give you. Read it, read it, read it. What sort of reading you are doing? This is my journey of life. Now, this is the correct intonation. I'll give you hundreds of books to read. No. Within one book also you can change your speech. This is my journey of life. I have to follow the footprints what was taught to me by my parents, by my teachers, and by noble people who have helped me. So within short span of time, you're changing your intonation, the power of speech, which talent you have within yourself. So if we are lacking in our talent also, that doesn't mean that you can't create your own talent. Suppose I was very good in speaking only, then what about my playing? Weaker? No, I can't be like that. Suppose art and craft, suppose in other calligraphy or something like that, I would have been weak. Fine, if I don't know, no problem, but I'll try to. But what is the major part to develop is why we are conducting this session. It's the communication power or learning English and speaking English and communication in a different manner, different channel. So these things are important. I know all of your strength. You all have the strength of convincing. You all have the respect of talking. You all have the way every individual should behave. Where we are lacking is just a part of communication, just a part of creating our own sentences, putting into vocabulary and presenting. Whenever we speak, it happens that yes, we are not 100% confident that yes, whatever we are speaking is correct. Here only we have to make the changes that you don't worry about that. Gradually, you will change. Now, this is just a starting part which you have delivered within very short span of time, changing your behavior, changing your thoughts, changing your behavior, changing the way, the outlook, what you think in a regular life. You probably are doing that, I know. So, most important thing is there. You all have to understand what talent you have within yourself. Everybody has, make it more strong, make it more in deliver things to be done. Profit is yours. Profit is yours only in that way. So understand your talent, whatever the drawbacks are there, or whatever the I can't say negative, but I can say yes, the things which can help you in step up to reach actually to your success. Those things we have to work upon. Yesterday also I discussed that if you feel problem in any aspect, usually what happens now, we have to go in depth about your ourselves. We say no, you have to evaluate yourself. You have to introspect yourself. Look within yourself that where actually I'm facing problem. Look within yourself, and that doesn't mean that openly you can discuss. Yes, you openly discuss all these things because it can happen that you are at a place, you are at a portfolio, you are at a designation. People can come to you approaching this. And once, apart from your work performance, you are helping in some other aspects to that person, your message has been transferred to other, stating that this person or this designated officer or this senior or this employee of a company has the other aspects also to run forward, to help them. So all these aspects depends. So suppose we are going to the company, we are not going only for work. We are not going only for just 6 to 8, 10 to 5, 10 to 6. We have to just do work. But there are different other things also to learn about, or to share about, or to give them. Many professions, doctors, they are not busy just doing the operations and all those things like that. No. Sometimes they are given the opportunity to speak also. Sometimes they are given the opportunity of going for conferences also. Sometimes they are given the opportunity to go to the ETM also for the children. That doesn't mean that I have to be just in my profession. I have to come out. I have to go. Some doctors, they go and play also outside. Some doctors, they go outside and do recreation activities also. They also feel happy to go outside, field visits, excursion, learning from nature. So all these aspects is important. I didn't mean to say that yes, our talent it should be at a very reserved part, only limited. No, you have to enhance what are the other things also you can do. So yes, you all know what are the strength of yourself. Where is the weakness? I'm not saying weakness is not at all. I just say the improvement part where we have to do, which we think about that this, my intelligence should be developed unless and until you think. My communication skill should be developed unless and until I'll put efforts. So my speaking power will increase unless and until I'll communicate more in an English tuning with others. So you all have talent, you all are talented, no doubt about that. But wherever we are finding a bit of down, we need to, a bit of thinking up, we need to do that. So it is very important to understand talent. Identify your talent within yourself. So the second thing we go for, some good interest, passion. Again, it is correlated to that. I was just thinking that unless and until you have the thought that yes, I want to change myself or I want to do something different, you can't. Suppose I'll say to you all, I'll give you the chance to speak for an hour. You'll be able to do that?
Not sure.
On a given topic. Suppose I tell you to just explain or just say or just discuss. See, this is actually what we feel about. I mean to say, you have to put in, suppose I'll give you 10 days time for the same topic. You have to speak about environment, you have to speak about the current situation, economic crisis. I'll give you 10 days. What you'll do?
We'll get prepared for it.
You will prepare for it, correct?
Yeah.
But instantly, if I say you, yes, now you have to tell me what are the economic crisis in India due to that.
It's just stammering there.
See, actually, what happens? It's a big
We
question.
can speak, sir, but not more than 5 minutes, I guess, if we won't prepare about it.
So, depending upon what topic you are getting, correct? But yes, if I give you time to speak, you will elaborate, you'll prepare, and then you'll deliver. You can do the explanation also nicely. But here, what happens? First important, what happens? If I give you a topic, you should show interest into it. You should do a little bit of homework. You should do a little bit of assignment work. And maybe preparing the entire thing. And then after 9 days, getting ready for the 10th day, you are ready with what actually you want to deliver. So it is very, very important, whatever the work has been assigned to you, apart from a communication skill. I'm talking about communication skill. Why? Because as yesterday we assigned some work. Yesterday I assigned some work. I don't know. Later on I'll take a feedback that whether we have done it or not. We had given an assignment that yes, out of whatever you are reading, whether it is newspaper, novel, textbook, or some good books or some magazines, out of which you have to just take out a paragraph or two paragraphs, out of which you have to take out all the vocabulary among those paragraphs, and later on taking that vocabulary, getting the meaning of it, and finally writing the sentence on it, your creative sentences. No barrier was there. You can create 5, 10, 12, 15, whichever you feel about. Because the more you do, the more enhancement of extra vocabulary words you can use it in your regular life. So this was an assignment given to you. All. I don't know how many of us have done that. So at the last time of discussion part and everything, we will ask this and we will see that how much difference has been done. In the same manner, here I mean to say you that yes, you have to put your efforts, you have to put your interest and make it become a little bit passionate about these things. Now, if suppose I'll ask you that up till now, have you reached what you wanted to climb the success in your professional life?
Not.
Have you reached in your professional life where actually you want to just accumulate yourself? Yes, now I'm happy what I've achieved. Have you reached to that pinnacle? No, no.
No, we have just started
sir,
about.
no.
What is your thoughts to achieve? Tell. Sachin, what is your thoughts to achieve it?
Actually, I'm on the starting step of it. Not the first one, but the
Mhm.
middle one.
Hmm. So what is my question, Sachin? What actually you want to have to achieve? What do you want to become finally? What is your target in your life?
To become a system admin,
To become a
whatever it
system?
could be. It could be Linux,
Uh,
Windows.
uh,
I I have
as
not fixed till now, but I have to become this system
okay,
admin.
okay. And what about Sushma? Only two we have, not today.
Sir Rahul, uh,
Rahul is
I,
today.
yes, sir, I want to achieve senior position in my professional field.
Professional field. And
So I want to be in a higher position in my company or at
branch
a
manager,
bank.
isn't it,
Yes,
sir?
right.
See,
You
you
will
have,
become.
see, whenever I asked you now, you were not actually prepared to your answer.
Right.
Today I'm presently teaching now. If presently today I'm teaching you all, and if my future things goes on with PSK technology, I want to be the best part to teach my children. After 10 years, when they come and they'll say that yes, sir, contribution has been done. My thought goes in that way. If today I have worked with whatever my experience is, I also want to go abroad and explore and teach and be whatever designated part I have been. I want to go to that place also. Why I say confidently? Because whatever I believe, whatever I say, I have it in my passion to do it. And most importantly, what I believe that what I can do, others can't do. With full of confidence, I'm saying. I'm not saying with overconfidence. This is the way we have to express. I understand situations, profession, your studies. Some barriers are there when you say this. But some part of no, passion should be there within yourself. Now, same question your school teachers ask you that what do you want to become? Almost everyone say doctors and engineers. They don't know how they are studying, how they prepare themselves. But still, everybody has a hope and aspirations that yes, I want to become this. I want to become doctor, engineer, so and so, scientist, and everything. But today, when I'm asking you this question, is a very justified one because you are at the verge of yes, your professional life, and you this particular time should have a target. Suppose again this question comes at the time of your interview, then so we need to be very justified. We should have that passion, what actually I want to achieve. One more example, sir is there next to you, Prashant sir is there. Now he also has a view in his mind, a vision is in mind, a passion that yes, I want to deliver. Obstacles will come, thoughts will grow, negative aspects also will come because life is not a journey of happiness. It has the criteria of both sadness and happiness. But how we have to mold them together and take our life together, that is more important. In the same manner, I'm saying you that yes, you have to keep faith in yourself, show your trust, and keep some passion within yourself that yes, I have to achieve this. This particular time, this particular target, this particular time management, in this particular time aspect, I'll be completing my target. And most importantly, when you say, see, saying doesn't mean that yes, I want to become an engineer. No, you should have that thought also in your mind. For example, the ones who are doing for medical entrances and everything, they have cleared, and finally they are doing the training also. But after that, also achieving success is not possible. It's not easy. I mean to say not possible, but it won't be easy also. There also same thing happens. Ethical values. If you're a good profession, your ethics matters a lot. If you're not good ethical doctor, how will you treat patients? How the patients will come? But you're good in speaking. The moment you touch, the moment you just check the person, that creates an impression that yes, this doctor does understand his profession. This doctor does have the touch of speaking. We do have some examples that people used to say, our old granny and grandpas used to say, जैसा उनके पास हम एंट्री करते थे ना हम आधे तो वैसे ही ठीक हो जाते because they had that vibe that yes, I am 100% sure about my profession. I'm 100% passionate about my profession. There are different examples in this because Finally, the next doctor is considered as the sort of a god for us, for all of us like that. So it is very important to have good thoughts in mind, thinking about your passion, and finally achieving it. Many examples comes out. A rickshaw wala has become an IAS officer. A person who is as a conductor work now has become an IAS officer. So it is an inspiration. I didn't mean to say that we cannot. See, everybody can do that. God has given everybody the same structure of brain, cerebral, medulla oblongata, and everything. The structure is absolutely same. But only thing is that it depends upon you, your talent, your thoughts, that how to develop, how to do different migrations of thoughts, and finally achieve success. So this is very important. That yes, you have to show the entire aspects. You should have first interest. Same thing happened now. We gave a webinar session, but how many of them were interested? You all know probably. And this is the need of the hour. I said big speeches, big people who speak, who gives speeches and do public speaking and everything also, same thing happens. I'm talking about multinational companies also. Because they don't follow or either forget whatever the etiquettes or whatever the manners or values are there. And they don't consider that yes, public speaking is something different. No, because they need, the bosses are filled with tension. Very rarely it happens the bosses have that attitude. Yes, this person is having problem of any suffering, try to resolve. This problem of a employee is having it filled with anger and everything, how to reduce his anger and everything and take out whatever things is there in him. Though he is talented, but how to take out the duties, how to take out the responsibilities from others, this is your talent. So unless and until you have these passions, because finally you reach to your passion, still there also everything won't be fair with you. You'll have lots of challenges. See, IAS officer and IPS officer, if you become, you can be posted anywhere. The conditions, the environment, the place and everything where you're assigned, it becomes difficult situation for you. It's not easy. So after you reach to your pinnacle also, things are not easy. But still, reaching that, we need to think into it. Reaching there, and finally, life is a challenge. Everywhere you go. So it is very important to show proper interest and keep passion about yourself that yes, I want to achieve. So make it a point in that. And success, it's not like that everybody gets in that way. But yes, we cannot take that thought away from us. We have to deliver with your success, with your passion, should go together. Without hard work, we say now you can't achieve success. Without hard work, you cannot reach to the pinnacle of what actually you want to go for. So it is very important to have passion and interest within yourself. The third thing what I say is when you are learning English, last time also in the orientation time also I said you that don't take it as a book. Don't take it as theoretical study. Take it as very, very practical, very, very nurtured one. Nurtured one means instantly we put seed, we wait for the sapling to open and then finally gives fruits and flowers and everything like that. But I'm not saying that speed of time we have to grow. I said you, now this is a human mind. Nurturing means instantly whatever is being given to you, go through it, prepare yourself, and finally try to deliver. The more easily, the more early you try to deliver things, you'll understand. For example, you are there at your office, some customers comes, rather than saying, "Haan, boliye kya hua?" you should say, "Yes, sir. May I help you? What needs to be done? What query you have? What is the problem?" And what happens when you enter also, you should wish your colleagues and everything like that, keeping yourself as a fresh model. Most importantly, all these things are positive vibes, what you have. Right from the general manager, right from your colleague sitting, they have a very positive vibe. Most importantly, you are the person to create positive vibes among them. And when you are positive, negative aspects doesn't make you any distraction. And if it affects also, you are able to challenge it, you are able to solve it. I said you, if you get into problems, think for it rather than dipping into it or rather swimming into it. Go, just think this is my problem. As you get your problem, think for the solution first rather than going into it, making a journey of what problems are going on and what solutions I'll be taking out. No, think. God has given you everyone in that way. Come out with the solutions and finish it up. So these things are very important. Same way I say, when you are learning English also, don't take it as theoretical part. Take it as more of communication skill. Enjoy this particular session in such a way that yes, I learned English through an enjoyable manner. Why should not we do it that way? Theory part and everything, yes, is a supportive hand. Whatever grammar, whatever the conditions, whatever the intonations, whatever the articles, phrases, idioms, parts of speech, figures of speech, whatever you have, that goes in a theoretical manner. But yes, compiling it, this is your part of just getting the basics of that. But today's world, what we are trying to do, that yes, communication enhancement is much more important. Because seriously, when I saw many students coming from different backgrounds, and they are having nothing as such apart from the certificates just to visualize. Merit list, second gold medalist in science or in botany or zoology. Then finally, other than MTech or BTech, they are coming in. But what is the problem? They are not having job. Why they are not having job? Because just because of communication skill. They don't have. Speaking power, speaking enhancement, they don't have. Speaking enrichment, they don't have. And finally, when I say, I seriously guide them. I seriously tell, because unless and until I do my duty, then only the change will happen. And when I see tears rolling out, they are thinking about parents, they are thinking about themselves, getting into different thoughts and everything. Solution. What is the solution? I assign them. Then later on they say that's how to improve, how to go forward for it. Then suggesting them. Because I also feel some or the other better contribution should be done. Because in bigger colleges also you go. If I tell you, if I'll ask you this question, that did you find in your school days or in your college days or in your other faculty parts, have you find such a teacher or such a person to guide you apart from your parents that yes, that teacher has helped me a lot in my entire professional life, or that particular person has given me an impact of future life? Very rarely you will have answer for it. So this is very important. If there is no one, that doesn't mean that we cannot guide us. Therefore, I say you have your own talent to explore, but that does not give you that we should have the feeling of negativity or lack of, to say egoistic part or overconfidence that I don't have anyone, but then I can do it. That is also not possible. You have to be very pure. You should be very understandable, and finally you can deliver. But what happens in a regular life now? We forget the positivity what we have. We are trying to get away from what positivity we have. Always we try to bring negative. उसने ऐसा किया, हम ऐसा करेंगे. ऐसा हुआ, I cannot try to change the solutions. Such thing happens, what needs to be done? So it's very simple. This training goes on very simple. Sometimes we also might be thinking that is why to tell all these things again and again to them. But I feel that when we say or when I say, it's a different way of saying. I really want to shake you the place where you are actually not thinking about. So this is an objective. Therefore, I say you, whenever we come into the class, you have to be very, very sporty. I really want that you should be very active, sportive, responsive, listening, and then in between, wherever you find any questions and everything, whenever we get to a problem, let's say this needs to be complete, or this, so I have this problem. So at the discussion point, we should discuss much more. So therefore, I say, let it go as practically more. Let it go as whenever we are in the session that we should do in a sporty manner. Learn it with the enjoyment like that. So this is the reason why I say that don't make it as a theoretical, don't make it as a book, but really make it as a sport and understand and learn English in that way. Probably I should not say like this, learn English, because you all know how to speak. I really appreciate that. You know probably how you have to speak, including or excluding your grammatical errors. What is needed is to just enhance your vocabulary skills much more than that. How to speak. Suppose, just now I said, if a customer says, kya problem hai? What is the problem? Kai ke liye trouble kar rahe ho? Wo to वैसे ही बेचारा हो जाए. He won't be able to say you anything. But there are also different type of customers who can overreact on you. What are you saying? Who are you? Should I complain? So all these arguments and everything should be taken off instantly. The moment you speak nicely, the moment you show your intonation power, because see, speech does have lots of power. Today, if Prime Minister Modi is giving speech, or today Bill Gates is giving some speech, we try to listen. How many of them are there to follow this? Very rarely. Because it is our individual thought that yes, who is correct, what is correct, and who can deliver things. APJ Abdul Kalam, I love to hear his speech also. His accent is not good, but still knowledgeable, intelligence, and don't forget that the speech what he says touches your regular life. There are much more speakers. Wherever I find, it could be a small child also. Whenever you watch video, because this thing will come, whenever you watch any video or something like that, a message transferring video, listening, a small child or a very youthful person can be listened properly. And only thing is that you listen and just understand that yes, does it have any value for me? Is it contributing me something? Sometimes it happens to be when I see debate sessions also, I enjoy that. But when I enjoy also, I think that what actually people are thinking, what happened to the experts? Sometimes it happens to be that things can be easily changed, but they are not having the authority. For example, HRD ministry, suppose I'll say, they say the schools or colleges won't be open. I didn't understand that yes, after you said that after lockdown everything gets open, still people are suffering with pandemic, still number of cases increasing. I agree, it's a part of security for students' part, from the parents' part. But from where the economy of this particular institution will work out, from where parents will get the opportunity, from where parents will give a supportive hand to keep the children back at home. One side we say we have to live our life with pandemic, with COVID. But one side we restrict some or the other aspects. So what actually needed is change. Now see, compiling of all the doctors, we haven't prepared any vaccination, none of the countries. So different from all the countries. So here what happens, it should be within you. It should be within you that how you want to do. It should be within you that success you can achieve unless and until you have passion within yourself. And therefore I say, whenever we are in an interaction part, whenever we are in the communication part, we need to be very, very, I didn't mean to say that you have to be very serious in my sessions. Become as free as you possible. Because yes, very obediently you listen, very obediently you understand one of every sentences. But yes, at the same time, I want you to be very, very sporty. I give you a chance of at a particular part that yes, we have to discuss much more. So further, if you proceed, the next point comes out to be what I say, that proudly communicate. If today you are learning, deliver all these things wherever your working place is there. For example, Rahul was saying that yes, so I started speaking at home and it was a very big surprise. Yesterday again I said you it was Guru Purnima. I hope that you have given one flower to your parent. Because when you congratulate, they are the starters of their life. So I hope you would have done. Okay. I just wanted to think that if suppose you have done, what could be the reaction from the front side? What could they say to you? It could be in emotions, it could be in tears, or it could be masti se, ye kahan se ho gaya? So these aspects are important. So therefore I say that whatever you are learning, you proudly try to communicate. Don't forget, don't feel bad about your grammatical errors, because whenever you also talk to me, I feel many places. But obstructing you means what? Your feeling, your expression, your communication, or your topic, what you want to share with me, I'm stopping you in that way. Therefore, I don't bother. Same thing happens if you're having a senior or colleagues or a person standing next to you or in front of you having more experience speaking English. Doesn't matter that. What you are doing, that is more important. What you are expressing, that is more important. So therefore I say that whatever you are learning, whatever way you want to say, proudly communicate. Don't feel dizziness, don't feel scared, don't feel worried about anyone. It's very simple. What I'm teaching you this topic has been taught in small schools also. Whenever I say this, but it is a real fact. Therefore I say after completing engineering also, if a child is not able to speak English, it means loss, complete loss. It's a very, very serious event. It should not happen to anyone. Probably investment of time, investment of money, investment of thoughts, investment of future, Everything is been done. And when child completes his MTech, BTech, everything, all the studies, and the child doesn't know how to speak in English. So this is a bad event. What happens? So therefore, you need to understand that yes, whatever you are learning, you should speak proudly. You should deliver your communication power with freeness. Don't worry who is listening, what they'll think. Don't worry about that. Again, some or the other way, the next topic is related to perseverance. Perseverance means, hello, perseverance. What is the meaning of this? My question. Perseverance. Try. If you're wrong, also no problem. Just try. What could be perseverance? Think. Don't go to dictionary and Google and everything. Think. Don't worry. What do you mean by perseverance?
Courage.
Courage. Okay, courage. See, I didn't want the exact meaning of that, but perseverance, yes, it could be courage. It is courage, huh?
Appearance.
Happiness.
Appearance.
No, Bidu, Rahul. Again.
Appearance. 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 Right.
Appearance.
Right.
Yeah.
No, it is not appearance. Courage we can reflect to it, and what simple is
Pursue. Pursue.
Pursue means to get it, to achieve it. And what Rahul said, appearance means outlook.
Yeah.
And what Sushma said, courage. Courage is some little bit closer. Example, early morning, mommy gets up. You are busy in your work, throwing here and everything. A very simple example. But that moment, the most important home minister at your place is busy doing something. He keeps her time, she keeps her time thinking about what needs to be prepared and everything, and she's working. Correct? She's preparing everything for you all. What she's doing, keeping timing, and what she's doing, preparing for you all, waking you up, preparing milk, glass of milk, preparing tea or whatever you want, a glass of Horlicks or something like that, and preparing
Managing.
what she's doing, managing, Acha,
Managing.
and
Managing time.
something emotional, managing, yes.
Situation.
She's doing her duty for her son or daughter.
Duty, yes, closer to it, duty also there. Much more.
She's serving for her loving one.
Loving ones, yes, that is also there. What else? Suppose
Her emotional behind them means they did all these things with her emotional.
You're getting closer. But I want the correct word. Very easy word. It's a very easy word.
Responsibility.
Responsibility is also there. Correct. Exact word. You're coming closer. See, if no AC, no fan, nothing. Since it's humid outside, but still she's doing. Still she is working on that. I didn't mean to say like this. Mommy does that. See, for our parents, they sweat, their blood, their perseverance, everything except it. Am I correct?
Struggling.
What did I say? Their sweat, their sweat,
Yes.
Okay.
their blood, and their perseverance matters for everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Including me also, including me. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Proudly we should say yes, of course it is there. Because it is through their blood we are here. Because it is their sweat we are what we are today. Because their perseverance what we are today.
Yes.
Again to the topic. If suppose she's preparing, still she is preparing. No fan, no AC in the kitchen, heaps of problem, utensils falling here and there, things are not proper, you are screaming from behind, still she's saying, yes, 2 minutes, I'm getting ready, don't worry, everything will be prepared for you. What she is doing. Responsibility, courage, and all these words are really close. Courage is the very closest word. But what emotions? Yes. But what actually I want that word, please. Come on.
Passion.
Passion. Okay. That is also close. Very simple word. Perseverance means what? बोलते जाओ. Don't worry about that. Wrong भी रहे चलेगा. Don't worry. I'll give you the meaning of that also.
Doing work with love.
Now you're closer. One aspect of it. Love. It's very simple.
Motherhood.
Hobby.
No hobby. No hobby. No.
Can't be said that.
Mommy cooks food. That is not hobby, Sachina.
Not hobby, right?
That you said is a responsibility. That is actually, see, passion is what relating to what extra you want to deliver. Suppose I am good in my profession, I am good in my sports, but I want to learn something new. So what could be my hobby? I used to see my mother cooking food and everything. I also want to learn cooking. What is the advantage of cooking? Some or the other day, if it happens to be, because many of us students are also working in Pune, but getting tickets and everything, it is difficult, and you don't get a taste. So this is my mother's thought. This is my mother's passion, which taught me that I should be interested in cooking, and therefore I learned it. This is the profit which I'll have lifetime. Correct?
Right.
So this is passion.
It could
Now,
be aiming.
What?
Aiming. Aim.
No.
Target.
No. Mummy cannot be giving you a target.
No,
That's
not
the
that
things,
type of aim.
What?
the,
So she
the things
kept cooking for satisfied our appetite.
Satisfaction, yes. Obviously, when she prepares nice, tasty food, if namak is also not there, still you feel happy. But yes. This is also one of my examples. If namak is not there, then what do you do?
So then
You-
also we eat because
you open it nicely to eat, and you find that less of salt.
sir, the things which comes in our inside to do means hello.
You go home and you'll fight. You'll go home and you fight. But don't you
No,
feel
of course not.
perseverance is missing out, which we don't imagine? So what is it, perseverance? Chalo, आपका झगड़ा भी हो गया. You had a fight with your mommy, but later on what happens? When you go, sit
Found
silently.
guilty ourselves.
What?
We found guilty ourselves, sir. She
Yes,
made
you feel about yourself. What you are feeling guilty?
After all, she is my mother.
Of course. Of course.
I will have to talk with her. I need to talk with her.
No. It's just a part of discussion. Yes, obviously we respect everybody. Yeah. Suppose Sushma, I said you that yes. What is the reason behind this? That you want to just feel guilty about that? हम लोग जब गिल्टी भी फील करते हैं, हम सोचते हैं ना कि मम्मी ने हमारे लिए क्या किया, तो ये क्या किया में इंग्लिश में क्या आएगा? हम सोचते हैं हमारे लिए किया, मम्मी ने हमारे लिए वो किया. वहीं पर आपका आंसर छुपा है.
So we are close, but we didn't found a proper word actually.
And you're about to renounce.
It's a very easy one. It's very simple. Perseverance means hard work.
Hard work.
It's very simple. Courage was yes to face any challenge. Courage was to face any challenge. But perseverance means giving the entire part of your life for achieving that target. So I could say that the easiest word would have been and is hard work or perseverance. So in the same manner, you also have to do hard work to achieve what is needed for skills of learning English or communication skill or enhancement your speaking power or extra, whatever you feel about. So perseverance is much more important. Yesterday we gave an assignment. Today at the end of the session, we'll see what actually the things you have prepared. Okay, so I'll go a little bit faster. We are short in time now. Further, now this you understand perseverance? To
Yes,
persevere. Now I say 5 steps. What is most important for you all? Probably you have gone through, and possibly everybody does. Read, write, watch, learn, and speak. Read means what? Come on, first. What's
Read
it?
novels,
Novels.
Read
Okay.
books,
newspaper.
newspaper.
Mhm. But without understanding,
No,
No, sir, with
with
understanding.
No,
understanding.
sir.
with understanding, get into those vocabulary words and try to use it in your regular day-to-day life. Means speaking part. It could be at home, it could be at workplace, it could be friends, it could be family members, and occasions. The second thing comes out to be write.
Right.
You have a writing practice. I said you yes, you have said me that sir, some improvement is needed related with writing skills. So what did I say to you? Whichever things you write, suppose it's a short poem, a story, a thought, imaginative story, a document, a documentary, or an application, whatever you feel to write, you write it because I want to see your writing power. At least I can understand that how much grammatically you're strong, how much tenses you're strong, so that I can make a changes in that. And where you can find the improvement of vocabulary which can be put into it. So writing skills also you can enhance. See, apart from that, if you know speaking also know whether you write wrong, make it habit of writing short stories, short imaginations, short learning experience. Suppose you are going on road. Today what you saw? Two people fighting for no reason at all. So write an article of it. Suppose that day Shubham said that a new machine or something like that was there at their working place. So write your own thoughts. Prepare a nice diary and write your own thoughts, creating your writing skills. If somebody you are good in poems and everything, you are ready to prepare some rhymes and everything. If you are ready to write any script or something like that of small short stories or small ads also you can. So all these aspects you can do it. This will enhance your writing skills much more. Yes, for the corrections, everything I'm there to help you out. Don't worry about that. Most important, third one is watch. Watch related means what? I'm not talking about wrist watch.
Watching movies, English movies. No.
Yes, please.
Watching English news channels.
News channel, yes.
Etiquettes.
What?
Etiquettes.
Etiquettes.
Yeah.
But etiquettes
Watching
relates.
seminars.
Yes, dear. See, you can watch. Shushma, say.
Watching seminars, sir.
Yes, yes. You can go for seminars. You can go for education program. You can go for workshops, documentary, debate, news headlines, learning news. Sorry, I mean to say listening news, watching and listening goes together. So news channels you should see. English probably serials and everything also comes. That also you can see. Reading and watching much more of cartoons. Basically, some people they have their thoughts because the basics of because cartoons are related to expressions
Yes, sir.
which regularly you can't see that. For example, and always try to remove yourself from negativity in the newspaper, negativity in your channels, negativity on all these aspects. If you're watching negative also, you bring out positivity in that. Sometimes it happens to be in news में 24 hours यही चल रहा है, यही चल रहा है, यही चल रहा है. So what goes on in your mind? Yes, the same thing. Rather than change your channel, go for National Geographic channel. Then innovations, inventions. We are not worried about interest in what innovations and techniques and everything is going on, but we are worried how to enhance our speaking skills. Correct? So, good reading, good writing, and good watching. And the next one, listening. This is the actual power of today's generation. We need it. Every time when such opportunities or some progressive aspects is being tried to done, we should listen. A good listener is always a good person to understand everything. A good listener is always a good person with whom we can feel that this person can give us the result. A good listener always thinks and then reply. A good listener always feels that yes, I have solutions for you. Why? Because whatever problems was discussed, you as being a good listener has listened and finally come to a conclusion, creating all thoughts, queries, and then finally delivering what I can do it as a change. And the last and most important, speak. The more you'll speak, the more powerful you become. The more you'll speak, your words will create power for yourself to achieve success. So these 5 important steps aspects, objectives, thoughts, belief, your own self is important. Read, write, watch, learn, and speak. How? Constantly and
Interrupting.
Interrupting.
without interrupting.
Without interrupt.
Yesterday I had been to sir, then Prashant sir and myself, because I also wanted to wish sir, so also wanted to wish me, and a sort of feedback. That, sir, what things is being done up till now, what we need to do it, for the future thoughts and anything we were discussing. The same thing happened that, sir, speech doesn't mean that continuously you're speaking. That doesn't mean speed. We are not learning you to speed. To learn actually speed, motion of learning. Rather than that, with your feelings, expressions, with your meaning, with your thoughts, everything combined together, and then finally speaking about the topic in a very proper manner, in a very proper channel. So make it a point, you read, you learn, you speak. It should not be in speed wise, continuously in one instance, in one intonation, in one speed. No, nothing like that. You should have proper pause, you should have proper expression. Suppose you're in an angered mood also. If I'm delivering in anger, it should not be seen from my, I mean to say that from my actually expression. It should be in a very short, sweet, commenting manner that yes, I wanted to just pin that particular point and I've done that. If you're happy, express your views, express your thoughts, express your expressions and everything in a happy manner. So we want to learn here in this way. We are not here to learn everything in constant process. We have to go gradually, slowly by slowly like that. So make it a point this way. So we are in short, feelings and expressions in your speech. And most importantly, the last one, target your goal. What is your target with this session?
To improve communication.
To improve communication and more of strength in your verbal skill.
Yes, sir.
In your communication part. So make it a point, and it will be till here only for the number of stipulated days. No.
No, sir.
So this will continue.
Yes, sir.
This will
Definitely.
continue, sir.
See, we are getting short of time first now. Any questions now to be asked?
Not till now.
Sure.
Tomorrow's session I'll cut short a bit in that way. And what we'll do entirely this particular part of a session, whatever the discussions we need to, make it a point every day, some or the other way, you have problems, you have any issues with anything, you have queries with anything, convey, discuss.
Okay.
And regularly follow what we are learning. And don't forget that yes, you can change yourself unless and until you put in interest that whatever you are learning, you have to deliver that. And yesterday, who actually completed the assignment at first? Whatever was yesterday assigned to you. Have you done that?
Yes, sir. I found 4 to 5 hours.
Okay, good.
I read a newspaper daily, Hitwar, and I found some 4 to 5 words.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so who is there which has done that work, correct?
Yes, sir.
And what about that assignment I said you? Expressing your thoughts, expressing your belief to your parents and wishing them. Have you done that?
Sir, I called them. Actually, my parents were living another place.
Mm-hmm.
So I video call to them, and I express my feelings with them. So they surprised. Actually, I done never before that such type of thing. So they quite happy.
You have never done. Just imagine in your entire life up till now, at whatever age you have achieved, till you haven't done such things. So this is the change what actually we need.
Yes.
This actually changes the home atmosphere, the working place atmosphere, and most importantly, you become the source of that. So try to become such change in this. When Sir celebrates your New Year and everything, yesterday Sir was saying we all celebrate New Year and everything. That's why it's a very important reason that the establishment of the institution was done on that day.
Yes.
So we should remember, because nowadays, if you go to big firms in Pune also, no, they have a session in which continuously they are sitting and they are just workaholic like anything. So what they have started, much more years they have started, it's not like that. They have started a sort of a aerobic session or some laughing session or some recreational session, so that entirely sitting and just being in workforce will make them lethargic, will make them problematic with their health issues and everything. So therefore they have added up all these aspects. That some or the other day we should have a session in which we can build in energy in our employees. What we are doing, we are also doing the same thing. Now tomorrow, when you go to your places, today onwards, wherever you go to your places, you can bring the source. You are the source to actually change. Along with your communication power, speaking English, you are doing something else also. So I hope, try, do it, share your experience coming back to it, and tomorrow, whatever things we have left over with your queries and your questions tomorrow, after the session gets over, I'll keep it in short. After that, we'll discuss tomorrow. Okay? And whatever things I have said to you up till now, I want your experience to be shared. Send your messages, send your thoughts, send your queries, send your other related problems to me. We'll answer them. So, see you tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And include everyone to come. Okay? And
Yes.
make it a session now very, very interesting, very, very interactive. I want you all to speak much more. I want you all to deliver much more. Okay? And
We
whenever
also want.
बिल्कुल घबराना नहीं है. Show your confidence everywhere. Fine?
Yes, of course.
So we'll meet tomorrow. Same time. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Bye. See you. Take care.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Yes, same to you. Have a nice day.
Yeah. Have a nice day. Bye, dear.